Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to fix over bleach hair, get it looking from this to this. If you want to see how I did that, stay tuned and watch this video. So here's a list of things you're going to need for this tutorial, and then I'm just going to show you the particular brands I got. Now I'm just showing you a close-up of the damaged closure. I'm going to get my mixing bowl, and then I'm just going to cut open one packet of the black shampoo. This is a type they use for men or what, but I'm just going to get one. I'm going to open it up and pour it in the bowl. So to make the work really fast, I'm going to wet my closure, and this is how your closure should look like when it's all wet. Now the shampoo already looks black, and I'm just going to take my mixing brush and mix it again. I'm going to wear some gloves because this thing stings a lot, so you need to protect your hands. So I'm just going to cut the hair, like I'm going to separate the hair with my rat tail comb. And when I separate it, I'm going to take a spoolie. I'm going to dip the spoolie into the black shampoo, and then I'm just going to brush it on the strands of hair very lightly so that it doesn't stain the lace. I'm just going to repeat the whole process. Like I'm going to do line by line, step by step, until I feel like all the places where the bleach leaked through has been covered. So now everything is totally complete. I'm just showing you guys how it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and rinse it with some shampoo. It doesn't really matter, any shampoo is fine. And then I'm going to come back to you. So this is a close-up of how it looks like. As you can see, if the lace wasn't stained, and it looks perfectly okay. It still even looks like my knots were bleached. So this is like the best method to use. I did try some other method, but that one was kind of a fail. But if you still want to see it, let me know. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.